Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Wonderful evening to you all. Mechiachia mu nyinaa, mechiachia obi a oba life a mepacho no ahye link na ma me. No we leave you comment. Our comment section. Hanom oba life a no we leave you comment. Our comment section ha. Good evening to you all. I believe that we all are doing great. We are swimming in the pot of health. If I do what I hear, Panda online, more online, you know, but more than a share video, no mommy. Na, and easy. And that man to me a man term because a lot na and you might be brave near one or two things be. I think my team have been through office. I mean, live telecasting. So we are a bit late, and a lot of people are not aware that I'll be coming live. So kindly do me a favor by sharing this live telecast to a lot of people, and then creating awareness. Imagine maybe somewhere. I mean, be the bacho mechiamo nimri onyamia sunwie nka obi a ho group mami akuya bacho mechiamo group aya dedicated for OPATAFUOR bacho Ophelia me bacho mejo. So good evening to you too. So Yaya Boa, a very good evening to you. I believe Yaya Boa na minimu no America na mechiamu nyina na nyame adom. Nyame adom. On the 29th of December 2024, kwasi ada anopa ekobe say 2 to 3 years ni we are aware, yeah, almost 2 to 3 years ni memfa oil emma abontenda we are aware, and most of you now mo oils ni nasa ama mo bi mo ye dry akosa Sharon ebacho chiao Jeffrey or say biggest salute to you too. I said, don't change your ways. I will not. I'll still remain who I am. I mean, there's nothing in this world that will change me. There's nothing. Is it money or what? No. That's not my type. I don't think me pacho me chiamo. Now, for the past 3 years, yeah, I have not introduced new oil to the system. But the wonderful thing is that, and the good news is, on the 29th, the oil ne babontin, so Shadrach me wacho me chiao. The new oil ne babontin no bi anya bi akufie. E di akoye ne nioma. Yes. Na oil ya 29th ye di be ye adwuma no. Mi wia 2025 oil emma bontini bium tienie 2026 oil emma bontini bium. I just said December 2027 and sign the message release another oil. Understand what I'm saying? I believe you understand what I'm saying. Until you OPATAFUOR fana but more na oil we GBC ho na ya wo de aye wo neoma. The reason why you're hoarding spiritually, because we know what it takes to do the things of the spirit. Nanu Erade kachire Moses say, Ochire ni niyama onfanya anointing oil. Go and read the Bible. When you read the Exodus, it is there. And to go and read the Bible carefully and understand it. And this time around, we are launching a new oil. And now the mayor rituals no on the 29th no. Nemo mo amu abruchire. Bichirem se mo amu Ghana tini. Mo amu Ghana eye Kumasi. Mo betimi aba Boshen station. 1,002 na ni kura we no handkerchief 12. Se ufri Accra. Ufri Kumasi. Sorry, Ufri Kumasi, Accra, Tema, Takradi, Hohoi, Volta region. In Zema Sassisu, Ebuna Sassisu Sefi Abonting. Nese ubetimi abba. Eye Bushen station what they are. Me pacho 1,600 Ghana cedis. Any crown. Any handkerchief 12. Now, the better up Madaka anymore. When I order oil, no, I don't know how do could 2025. Usadi could 2026. Now, aside the way 2027. It was show to me. Now, what Accra, dear, me paucho, what Accra, Tema, Hohoi, Takrade, Cape Coast, Moamo Sefi. Mo ebonumam tachiman mo baby to say tamale ne sane ma no se wuntimi makuma se ya na opese oye bidia na ope oyo ni bia obe odie no obeboka 1,400 Ghana cedis, which means we issue 1,200 no with the 200 Ghana cedis ebeka ho now the address on number aka ho and no any the best send the car. Yes, Reverend Adako, very good evening to you. Any the best send the car at the bro. What you say? We issue 1,002 o handkerchief now the oil no abro. Yes, me memfa dino memfa sabroso memfa Borges memfa olive memfa bells no wells memfa nyehwe eno mere anwa ye ka oil anointing oil ebi kan ho a utuhwa etimi boa etimi reveal niema etimi ma reverse something. Sometimes when you are not spiritual you can niema be see how like you rubbish it, but I will not blame you for rubbishing it because you were not brought up in that way. We are highly spiritual, so I know what I'm talking about. Moamuo Germany dear. Opesa oye bia me pacho. Obetimi aye nembom oil no. It's a problem. Spain for so oil no yentimi mfa mamo because udi ade ye liquid eco Spain a omo ma okwan enti Spain for me pacho Grace Wilson me pacho me chia, Lydia Odru me pacho me chia, Florence Crodu me pacho me chia, Victor Exel me pacho me chia, Mo Jennifer Pia Sante me pacho me chia, Canada for, enti mo America, mo Canada, mo UK, nene nkrabata, mo soso, mo beboka, America for beboka 3,000 Ghana cedis. Canada for beboka, sorry, UK for beboka 2,500 Ghana cedis and sana de kudie to be a bit true. I didn't hear if you say oti o normal you can say 1,200 ni free more the ebeka it be a tax, it be a duty. You tia ni nyina ansane ya shepo de abro. What you say is ultimately here. Nti wa America ubeboka 3,000 and sana de kudie na bedru 3,000 emu na 1,002 ni hye. UK for there ubeboka 2,200 sorry 2,500 and sana ba bedru. But mu Germany, Italy for there mono sometimes yana a 50-50 because for the past years no yana o de ade komo omo a obre pa bi wa just omo frɛ e confirm ebi wo no mo security nioma abrofo na nkasa frɛ me ebi wo ha abrofo no just omo frɛ me na me gina so atimi a respond omo ansa na omo release ade no e de amam saa na tie Rosemond upon me patro me chiao enti Canada for muni America for metua the same car now Spain for there me patro obetimi aba for there free wakoma mu dia fine but ye ma o anointing oil ni bi me patro the enti ame ma anointing oil ni bi no because Spain for oje ade ye liquid a omoma omfanko nti uwo Spain a me patro untimi nya bi obetimi aye direction but untimi nya bi but apart from no mo amwo krom ketewa mu ni ade nyina me patro wo Ghana ahye su ba bia na untimi ma o send 1,000 for e de be send o edidi e be ye ne say as usual o send you sika na atwa screenshots ma send say o do address any o phone number na de atoho America for Canada for UK for ne other countries ne omo makaka kata o Dubai o China o Korea o Japan o se ni nyina nemom mo amwo Italy any Germany the empathy 50-50 ebeti ba say be do no ma seize but Spain there omo de kra nti sanete enti nyame nka ho na omo wasundwie finally afena bibia timi aba out obi beka say kane no na ne bo anya din but ne no ne bo ade ma me nkira made ma me nkira made bi we keke oil oh anointing oil we kiti we auto free Israel now the bar e bidru Ghana obesa ye duty e we so oh bottle kiti we bottle kiti we you sa bottle kiti we anointing oil we keke we the free Israel okoji free Israel now the bar this also ye duty we kitwa we no enduru 20 grams kura 10 grams so den kura enu no this was say dey duty si say Ghana bibia boy den kaneno we me personal oil me using ye the trick ye the fresh spirit shishishishisham and me can't them say me mau bi but me mau but me kire wade kaneno so kra ade we di bar why duty ana we bear 50 to 100 cities we kiti we o a free Israel na omo ship at the far post office udru hon ma customs for no ade keto bottle keto we this also a duty ahu de city enti oil na me de bronze so sini we what you say sadie we enti no ena mamoka adosu san e mane hawo enti na America for moka adosu na America de bia me brem oil enti no anye news UK for so me brem oil anye news other countries no country omo me problem pa is Spain e bi wo ma Spain o de oil o de me ma no kwa abrofo no fraud so we explain ni ade what good omo you can say Germany for so omo ma problem any Italy to omo de medility omo na momo bi ba mo ho na se wo benya ne de abade a fine metimi ede na ma enya oil we o enya oil we na me de be ma o da bi enye we ya na duro abaka say wo de oil bi kire enye we ya we de me kire o say eye for me opata for me personal use ye the fresh spirit ye won sem bi a recite the good near the afre ahonhom ye the receive ye the tap into an unknown world as ye say ye kire wade a ode ya na de afraid to me. Okay. Sanity. You have the desire to communicate with divine entities. And you before and you bosom bioha bibia hintao. Only bema biti unini unu oba biti unini we. Odi ye child or the bear. O you so no ada. Sham to say perfume. Sham craching perfume. Adwini bia wo bema ni trim. Adwini bia wo oba ni trim. Epo bia wabo afa ho bia epo bia wabo afa ho bia no me pa cho ni nyina be show sa na tie bia wo ne nkwala na nam ana wo bia adwuma bi ba wo we ne the investigation spiritual we ena afi so ye wo mo a afi bia o mo bo afode obi wo no ma afi bia o bo afode o mo bo afode from 5,000 Ghana cedis echo 5,000 Ghana cedis echo, which is somewhere $400. Yeah, let me put it in that way. I don't know the exact we see, but here did you even say bar for the 5,000 Ghana cedis echo. Afibia will be how to me $5,000. Will be to me $10,000 to obi to me the brosa, right? But I can't sure say fast can bring me. But the mature say a year Ghana sikem a year 5,000 Ghana cedis echo almost special package. TNE ubi wo no born afford ye dada. Ubi wo ha oni nim ni nyame a osomo no ubi wo ha oni nim opatafo ne nenam. Enti san krofo no mo ba afford ye 5,000 Ghana cedis no. Echo Ghana cedis echo. Most so me pacho me wo oil special dedicated for you people in a special way. And no enka eye wo mo amo ye handkerchief mako 12 akwankyere ne hu bi. And no enka hu bi. And we are different. In the fashion utrim mo amo bo for the friend special seed. It could be a thanksgiving offering. And I say a special seed. Me pacho untimi nye bi anya by force. Wada Roma me kura koto dwum. Azan bia ni sabio de ode no koja antoansuo nyama. De ode no koja brekune. De ode no koja abusumbi no. Afeso a oto odwan e de koma abosomfo ne akomfo no ka kire mo se mo mfa manana. Mukum na mo de moja no e manana. Na mo so enan enam no mo so mo de awasa mo sirim. Bi wo ha ye gire mu abompa ye dia amaw. Nti afene so na eka na koma na wo adwempa say obetimi abo special seed offering eye 5,000 Ghana cedis ne bia. Ye was special oil. It is not meant for everybody. A special oil, a package, special oil. And I'm the bro. A wabuchi, Roma, America, Canada, and UK, Qatar for dear ben country be was be apart from Germany and Italy and Spain. I'm gonna hard. Na omo makadie ubetimi dia koba bia sanity enti hyere nso afi ano afode ye wo akwankyere na ye 1002 na ye di wura 2025 2026 tienie se me de oil ne brewa kai hunu se mensa ma oil biem next year. I will say for the past 3 years ni memfa oil ma abonten fa hye otirim sa into 2025 oil uko use and I'm releasing in 2024 2026 mean for oil anointing oil mabontin beam 2027 and January February March April May June July August September October, November, December, and you better release another different oil. And if I show him say oil now this year and now the trust out 3 years no. And if I show him say now this time around no a womb because mo amuni me de amuni me dada me kum me kan crachro omo amuni mo patafuo no ni me kum abrochefo bebre omo use ye no e de nsem bebre me kum me kan crachro obi say hey opatafuo ai me kum Luke 19:27 Bible say wona empese obedi omo so hene no fo mo bro no awurade anim ne be kum omo enti mane nya anything news enti anointing oil no de mo be use ni this year no eye ade a be wura mo skin adanebo onse first no this all be dan obebo adane na adane na aye bo no okenkan Jeremiah amagman uyisu a amagman ene bomode na ye special seed ni bi so ye special seed na ebe cover enkwala no na oil na me de be bro na odi bi aya ma enkwala no why enti tienie okenkan Jeremiah 15 verse 1 to 3 osi Moses tienie o Moses ene Samuel mpo ebegina mi awurade animu a makoma enkum ko man no ho dia sana wo so de shoot no eno so wo munye de wo se de wo se wo wuom no onko wo wuom de wo se ni nguase enko ani nguase mu de wo se no mumfa onko no mumfam de wo se ni nguase ohaw amane obi wo ho a e wo se ka bon e wo ho obi wo ho a wo se nanim guase obi wo ho a na dwuma oye eye na dwuma no e wo se ya gifri ni nsam because of wa sori usunti eninti sa rituals na ye no enye enti nam se ye 12 days eye fully 12 days na what mi anyamre e dia charge what mi anyamre e dia charge o spirit any wo energy my friend udi agro abebo asesa wo wiase why because obi won mu a okase wasi di fie awie nti ohia hwe sa na ye bebre o ye funny o ma no ye betima ma bia remeni yarefo ye betima ma bia remeni unmarried ye betima ma ebia ye barren ye betima ma o mani bia ya aboninifo o ma o metimi ase o mo at all angles until everybody needs protection. Roland, good evening to you. And when it comes to the things of the spirit, I don't joke with it. I always tell you people that when you fight me, I'll fight you. We maybe pretending. There are some people, they will pretend and go behind scenes and do evil things. Me, I don't pretend. When you fight me, I'll fight you. Russia, hello, how you doing? I believe you're doing great. Russians, calling Spencer, Michiamo. Hey, now me professor be Russia, pal. Hey, do what you say. I do what me abosa. Now me one professor be Russia. Well, let me leave it there. And if I show trim, I done a bebre womb. Be all my bressa. I bring you for the say you people know me, so I will not talk too much. So you should understand. And the special seed offering from 5,000 going. Ebi bobe brand no kire say obetimi ababro so na wabon 5,000 there be esa amintwe mawo obetimi ababro so a obetimi nyesa so a o normal 1,002 akwa nkire no ene mo amo Ghana ahye so amuntimi mba no ene 200 Ghana na de atuka ho America for so obe 1 America for 1 oye 1 abeboka 3,000 Ghana. Oye the friends say we UK susu 2005 Canada for money America for maybe the same car. In the first show team said the mede ma ono eno na odi twa 2025 2026 and 2027 on the December and sign the message the oil for fraba To me wa me de am de ye me neoma. So get this once and for all. Enti de wo mu ano no. Yankopon ya adom a kwasiada a live interview. Daniel Omari and come on me pacho me chiao. Me pacho Alice mo am wo Spain mo nka ho why. Mo am wo Spain mo nka ho. Obetimi abo wafo de. Ha metimi abo mpaye de ama but metimi mra oil ni bi. Why? Because of restrictions, custom issues and stuff. Okay. And you know, fashion trimsa nyamishrao. This is meant for OPATAFUOR fans. And now if you believe in the powers that I have, if you believe in the unction upon my life, if you respect and honor that unction, this is what you are supposed to do, and that's all. Nyamishrao. More Ghana so. Before say it be through December 7th, no, but body ne pedri and gufie. TNE, we advise more Ghana. As before say it be through December 7th for a bay election, no, pedri and gufie. Now face so, but more than ne pet, can you be a charge? TNE charge. Fatuo, renewable, be chargeable lamps, new in PB festival. It is very important. 2, but more than a load of phone credit, any data, and our face also. But more than neko yisika, if you mobile money account, menkase ko yini na koko yi sika, nefa to ho ewofie. Tienie calculate 2 weeks esika, calculate 2 weeks esika. OPATAFUOR me say calculate 2 weeks esika. Especially wa Ashanti region, and mo amuwo esirim, mo amuwo sirim. Ashanti region and esirim, mo sa ankrofo no. Akra no betimi because there will be power disruption and then network inconveniences. Been to what feel say Saturday no ko yiska MTN mobile money a obekọ no na emi ho. Tina, thank you very much. God bless you. Enti bomodine iska ebe soon 2 weeks. We be see na me ade bia gise mko adwuma na ene utiate. Wo Ghana na de bia gise okọ adwuma nsa na wanya wo daily bread there na utiate. Especially wo Ghana, Kumasi ne Ashanti region ne your friend say esirim na utiate. PBB kakra to ho. Why? Enunti Muamu on the 1st of December. On the 1st of December. And I'm more person boy akwanchire ni bi no seed ni bi no. Mo betimi ahya ase asende musika. On the 1st of December. On the 1st of December. On the 1st of December up to 29th of December. Especially mo wa bruchire ni de enkebeya enka 1st December ekon mo hyasie na mo so mu seed ne ntemo a nanka etimi oil na timi aba beduru okra ansa nanka ye di bronya what you say nanka etimi aba kra ansa na ye di bronya eno mom ka beboa sene be ya after 29th ne kono so betimi aye wa kwankyere no from on the 1st no Ghana for any day on beba be shia me e sorry dem ha but mo amwa brochi ni dey you know for a fact say muntimi ma enunti o tender in o transactions na ntemo a o remitting ntemo a then etimi eyeden e dey abro fashion utrim ebie. Let me repeat it. I never told you people that I'll me decide you be send you obi wo no ma obon say China obeka say OPATAFUOR you or you be enya no na ade Sunday ye mpacho we man kasa me de Sunday mu me say it is for my personal use, for my own good. This is what I've been using. And obi say Panda say can we start sending? No. I'll start taking in money from the 1st of December. Me pacho nyene enti otia tini oyo OPATAFUOR fan otia na wabɔ obi amane so opatafoɔ say na ɛkɔ. What you say? Into every transaction be no, you detail it down, you screenshot it. The reason why you screenshot it is because we wanted to cross-check something. Sadly, we every year be a mayor sadly we be a misika ekodi nkrofo bebre ho na omo dan meka se me mfa oyo mre wo mo abrichirefo na ya omo se me ya azan no enso me nya azan mo mu bi bebre mu nim se me de oyo me bre mu ba mo mu bebre mu transfer sika na akosi obi so na obe dan me oyo ka me de abro enunti de wo mu anu no nyankopon ya adom a ya mi shraw na urade ntum nkwanam. And from December 1st, 2024, obetimi ashase asende musika. Mumu bi bebre musika. Mo sende mane eko wrong people. Na owi a obeka kire se ma sende opatafuo sika on fa musika. Wan fa oyo na amreme. And into opatafuo do ya azan on kan kore. Ni nyina ya na ma yedin me nkasa. Nyame na ebu ni pattern. Nyame o justice God. Sa na tie. God is a justice God. God, He's a justice God. And He said, "Me di azansi meni suwa." Ade o say me busa me ho ne say, "Nti me ya azansa kusi da ben." Me ya azansa kusi da ben. Nti mpenyin se hwihwuma de ekosoro. Hwihwuma de ekosoro soro. Sa na wi asete. Nti me pacho me chia obiem. Nyame ya adom a said the marker from 1st December and I'll be to me attender in with transactions. And I'm more Ghana so me pacho e ma rain free da. Say opatafuo say yenko ni yenko pe emo kakra kra to gu ba yire kakra bi anu ato. Eburo kra akoyam ne ka banku. Na waye nkuruma stew bi ana shitoki to bi kra na de ahye fridge im se ne be ya election. But election, there's something. I don't want to talk much about it. And Timmy Pacho fatu sir. Nyame aduma Sunday a hot interview. A Sunday numere power metie bia why your home. A jai program bia wo hwe bia na betie Sunday. What you say? Enunti a lot of you people number now mo de me transaction 0540 770 number now mo de me transactions across the global world and I say 059 303 7744 Genie 059 303 7744 and no dear a sovereign account a call straight to the church account, straight to the church coffers. And 0540770896 and you see a WhatsApp number. Most of you people now when me chatting me say no na me mo de chat. And so e ba me ho a sorry number but e ba me ho. And if I share with you, sir, and unti the TNA official, let me tell you people, next year, me sorry, TNA, next year, me sorry, 2025, TNA, 2025, me sorry, for sure, to say, OPATAFUOR so sorry, and to BBI, you bet daily online. I have 1 or 2 reasons to sort it out. And to the whole of next year, OPATAFUOR sorry. Ningina say me go school. You have to understand certain things. Because papa de okopedi school, mami go school kakra. Why? I'm go school, I'm go better myself. Send be ya me ba metimi aka brofo ni yie. Na obi ami hunhuna me wo brofo. Me go school outside Ghana. And if I show trim 2025 mention that sorry, but a be an yearly metimia bagana na me ba yetimi aye bia crusade ba ko bi once bi, but enye possible, but bia get it. I don't say nyanya me honhom afiri me so me pacho enya sa na tie. 2026 OPATAFUOR me nhyɛ da anya sorry, because 2026 na me wo school mu. 2027 me pacho me nhyɛ da anya sorry, na me wo school mu. 2027 me nya sorry, 2027 me nya sorry. Ni nyina online enti obi a won subscribe my channel ni bi also me subscribe channel, because it's going to be online. Get this once and for all. 10 and then 2028 and so me nya sorry. Satam no ma ko school awie me returning back to Ghana into ministry. I am officially announcing this. Ivadubwa, you said you were coming to Ghana to meet me next year, right? Oh, how lovely it is. I really respect your visitation, but don't worry. We can still talk on the phone as usual. Me pacho into 2028, the whole of 2028, me nya sorry. Fashion mutini. Because me bibia me year 2028. Enti me shase aya sorry 2029. 2029. The free January echo and me shase aya sorry. The fashion mutini. And me back to a ministry permanently. 2029 and I'm a ministry permanently. Into fashion trim. Now am I around OPATAFUOR? I am always with you people. I know say me komra na kumasefo ne de bebre na mufiefo akum. Some say mompe. Me temon chen de bia Kumasi Zenith of Heavens branch. You people, you don't like it. Don't worry. I'm going back to school. And by the time I return, by God's grace, most of you will die. Oh, how lovely it is. So I am officially announcing it to you that I'll be taking 4 years leave out of ministry to go and pursue a career. Me baso dia me bana o se kofi mu nyina ewu na manya asumwie di atimi ayedai aye me bana o se kofi ewu me mra 4 years na nyame adom na call to glory na say metimi abetena mba bia asumwie mu. So you see, yeah, as that says, he will live to witness the greatness of God. Yeah, of course. Enti menya sorry sa fashion utri mi obi be dada so OPATAFUOR yare o bibia ye na ka chen so yare bibia anya me me ho odin 24/7. Nobody can kill me. I am live and kicking. Ivadubwa, he says you want to join my club. Hey, can you join this club? It's an occultic club. You people, it's an occultic. We have been doing a lot of crazy rituals over there. Hey, Christians. A Christopher ni passe. Enti me pacho. Josephine Boateng. Oh, how you doing? I believe you are doing great. Enti me pacho. Fashion trim said next year. One time who me said me was sorry. Na emo bi na da so OPATAFUOR bi ama sorry egu ana ma ja sorry another bi. I have to go to school. You understand? The world eventually is moving from one end to a different dimension. And as a man of God or as a normal human, if you can be able to be fixed within the system, you need to keep yourself updated. And that is very important. You need to keep yourself updated. So that's the whole issue. Yeah. Josephine Boateng, can you keep secret? Because if you can't keep secret, how will you be able to join the occultic group? So that's the whole issue. Until you see OPATAFUOR fully back into ministry, doing my stuff, delivering people, working miracles in 2029. Hey, Jennifer Apiasante, you are coming to Ghana next week. Oh, Jennifer. When you get to Ghana, don't worry. I'll find a way and then meet you, okay? Don't worry. I have a busy schedule, but when you come to Ghana, I'll find a way and meet you. Amajimai, you want to join the occultic group, right? Okay, we have been learning, you see, in the occultic group, we have been learning how to chant. Can you chant? So that's the whole issue. Say 1st January 2028, 9, and now OPATAFUOR member back to ministry. And now more bruchri, more Ghana na and Crophobia kika and Simbi say. And if we are here, bandia ben dear ben, no, don't believe them. If we are here, if the end of the world is coming, I'll be the very best or the very one to tell you. If you understand what I'm saying, if the world is coming to an end, I'll be the very one to tell you people. There is no if we are here, ever. We'll see how. If we are here, but the almost 2028, you know, if we are here, bebano. Eya nyame aduma kwasiada mekasa fa ho wiase wie ne benya ba 2028 na mpa ye be enti kwasiada de bomoden se obeba o machine ho enti me pa chaw nyame shiramo Bashiru Fayau, you're watching me live from Obuasi. Very good evening to you. My greetings to the Obuasi people. Enough respect. And he said, I'm a chairman, the super pepper family. Na a share video if I'm movie. Na sunjimra. Why? Me chairman, me respect will be a me do attempt that no one pa young kudi. OPATAFUOR. One of the most stubborn principalities of this end time. So big ups to you, Michiamo. Asofo Amo online, Michiamo. Reverend Adakwa Belinda Brown, Bishop Belinda Brown, Michiamo. Elder Samuel online. Asorin paying for more Mubazinet, more Pentecost, Assemblies of God, CAC. Midimunya show Yankupo Yunum. Ogama no moja and Kasama na fi akamretie bi na ye twa. Nanso so emu nsam dɔɔso ka kwanhyia mpare mu owuo mpare mu amane mpare mu ade bia de wakoma so bia no wo Yesu dine mu awurade nkae wo ɛwɔ n'aheniem. Bible say abra no okromfo no etale asenua no so no ɔse owura kae me wɔ aheniem kae me na Yesu ka kyerɛ nsɛ ɛnɛ wobɛka me ho wɔ paradise. So it's very important awurade bɛkae wo no wakae wo ama na kae wo biem. Why? God bless you and bless you so much. Love you all.